I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Volkswagen CC front bumper. First, let's get our tools ready. You'll need a T25 Torx driver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a trim removal tool. Make sure you're working in a well-lit, level area. Having a soft mat or blanket nearby is also a good idea to protect the bumper once it's off. This preparation makes the process much smoother. Now, let's start with the lower fasteners. Get underneath the front of the car and remove all the T25 Torx screws holding the bumper to the undercarriage. Next, turn your front wheels fully to one side. This gives you access to the wheel well liner. Remove the screws here, then gently pull back the liner to expose additional fasteners that secure the bumper's sides. Repeat for the other side. Moving to the top, open your hood. You'll find several T25 Torx screws along the top edge of the bumper, just under the hood line. Remove these. Some models might have plastic covers over the grille that need to be gently pried off to reveal more bolts. Before the bumper comes completely free, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights, parking sensors, or other components. With all the fasteners removed and wires disconnected, the bumper should now be ready to come off. Gently pull the bumper straight forward from the vehicle. It's often held by a few clips on the sides, so a firm but careful pull is needed. Having a helper at this stage is highly recommended to prevent dropping or damaging the bumper. Once off, inspect all clips and mounting points for any wear or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.